What's going on?
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good too. Okay.
Thank you.
Do you need anything?
No, I think it should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just give you a text whenever I'm finished.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep. I knew it was gonna be these. Shit. Yeah, these are insane. Dude, look at that. Oh, you gotta remove 28,000 plastic clips just to drain the oil. All done, all finished. When's the last time you changed the brakes on this one?
I've only had this car for 6 months.
Okay.
And it was used when I got it. The car is fine. The only thing is that the rims are messed up because the previous owner, I guess, didn't know how to drive.